Hi everyone, it's Alex and
Ruben from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, best place to buy bullion, bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. We've got you in again, Alex.
yes you do. Michael's still away,
He
so
is.
we will play.
And we have a box.
We do. It's going to be a semi-grand unboxing,
Let's go.
and we have
What?
a coming attraction. Is what we have.
So we thought we'd make a bit of this. We are talking about the Mother and Baby series. Oh, well, technically maybe not. We'll talk about it in a second. But let's take a look at the coin we do have sitting in front of us. And this is a random 2-ounce coin that we have stuck a piece of paper to.
A random 2-ounce mother and baby coin.
Correct. And dressed it up to look like what the coins that we'll have coming through will be. So we do have the emu this year, and this is the 6th in the Mother and Baby series. And yeah, we've got the emu there with her chicks running around her feet. So one of the reasons I'm being a little bit weird about the series name is it looks like Perth have kind of swapped it over on us.
Yes, what's it called now?
So they're calling it the Next Generation series. And from what I can gather, it's what the Americans, or potentially everyone else internationally as well, but at least the Americans I know were calling the Mother and Baby series previously. And if you have a look on Perth's website, last year they were looking at this series also as the Mother and Baby, but now they've swapped it over. So I guess this is now the Next Gen, which instantly makes me think of Star Trek.
I was going to say the trekkies/trickers will appreciate.
Absolutely.
Yeah, what do you think about the design itself?
I really like it. I have a bit of a soft spot for this series. It's one I've been collecting every year as they've come out. There's been some really, really good designs. We've had things like the koala, the platypus, and I know you were telling me about your favourite one in it before.
The crocodile, which I believe was the first.
I think
of
so,
the series,
yeah.
Yes, which I still haven't seen in person before. So keen for a buyback if anyone's listening.
No, very, very cool series. And yeah, great to get them through again this year. We've also got a few, not just the one that we've got sitting here, we've got a few of them coming through, probably about 2 weeks away though. So this is going to be a pre-order situation. But very much looking forward to getting them through, and we'll probably do a bit of another update video to say, hey, we've got them through.
And it will be in the 1-ounce silver, not the 1-ounce palladium looking printout that's on there, which, as a segue, it reminds me of the old Perth Mint palladium coins, which is a similar design to their 1996 proof edition of that. So yeah, big fan of this new design.
Yeah, so that's it. These ones are the 2-ounce, bit of the pied fit design, so a little bit thicker than the normal coins. And normally this is where I'd have to say sorry, we won't have capsules for them, but I think we managed to pick up some capsules that do actually fit these ones. So,
yes, we did.
Yeah, if you're chasing any of those, let us know. Mintage of 75,000 on these. Link will be down in the description. Anything else you want to add? Do you like this one, Alex? What do you reckon?
I do like this one. I haven't started collecting them yet. As I said, I was waiting for the croc, but this is probably my second favourite design.
Very nice. The other thing to quickly mention, and a bit of an apology, we don't have a line on any of the 10-ounce versions of this coin. I've only seen one of those once come through the store, and it was very cool to see. It wasn't able to get it aside for me, but no, very, very cool to see.
The larger 10-ounce that we didn't get, would you say we've been ostrich sized?
That's
I was saving that. I was saving that for ages. Had to get it out. Sorry.
You did well to hold it in this log. So yeah, head down to the link in the description below, pick up some of these, and yeah, we will see you in the next video. Thanks very much, Alex.
See ya.